Hello everyone, this is Twins on Wheels. We'd like to thank you for subscribing, and today we would want to talk to you about our quantum power wheelchair, the Edge3. And today we're going to show you some of the functions and how it helps us. So I will tilt the chair, and this is done when we want to rest or we're traveling. This is one of the positions we can use when we want to reposition. And then I'm going to show you how I can recline and extend my legs. This is another position, and it helps with circulation. This is very comfortable and one of our favorite features. And when we transfer up and out of the wheelchair, we have little side foot plates which we take off and put on when we are transferred into the chair. Also for transfer, we pull this up and pull it back, pull back the arm, and we are able to hold on to mom and stand and pivot. And then we also have a cup holder that we can put our drinks in. This is very convenient. And we also have lights that we use for nighttime. And we have a phone charger that we can use to charge the phone by simply putting it in the same hole that you put the chair charger in, and then we plug it straight into a phone, and then it charges. And this can be also when we are traveling or walking around and we don't have a charger, we can charge it right there. And this is very convenient, and we really love it. We give it up to Quantum for all these wonderful features. And now I'm gonna show you perhaps one of our favorite features is the eye level. And this helps when I want to go to the stove. I can go to the stove, and I'm able to help. I'm able to go turn on and turn off the coffee, and we're also able to communicate with our friends and family and friends at eye level. And now My brothers, we can open up the refrigerator or the fridge and grab anything independently, and when we are also going down the ramp, it is not safe to be up with the chair in this position.
Have to be in the low level. Okay.
We have to be in the low level. And we also, these chairs are airline approved, and they can go on manual, but the chairs are not to go on manual very often because they're very heavy, only for emergencies. We also have a horn, and this is very cool because these chairs help us with our self-esteem, and they help us become they have helped us become very independent. The hip guards and the pommel helps us support our body, and it has to be adjustable to our level. It helps keep our bodies nice and straight and aligned. And these chairs are a real blessing, and every day we are so grateful that we have them because we love our independence. Something else that we love about these chairs is the different functions of speed. You hit the same button that's on and off. You go indoor moderate, indoor slow, outdoor moderate, and outdoor fast. And these chairs can be very fast, and it's something we really love. Okay, so thank you for subscribing, and continue to subscribe, and please share comments if you would like. And remember to share this video with family and friends. Thank you to Quantum, and thank you for all of our supporters. We love you.